All right, queens and kings, so this portion of the video is sponsored by Temu. So once again, I have a review unboxing for you all, or unbag for you all in this particular time. But let me just say this once again, if you guys don't know, Temu have a 90% statewide sale going on their site right now. And I also have a discount code of 30% off that you guys can see right here on the screen. Also, it'll be linked down below. And there is some exclusive items for you all that you may want to check out, where only my peoples get a exclusive deal, like from high to very low. Only exclusive items. So check all the links in the website down below, so therefore you all can get your hands on some good, and don't forget to put in the discount code. I'm so happy to do this right here, because these items here I am excited about. So let me show you guys pretty much what I got. Okay, so what I do have is more of jewelry and in beauty items. So pretty much a woman's world right about now, where I just pretty much want to just cater to myself. But anyways, let's jump on into. Okay, so I took everything out of the bag so you guys could be able to see all the stuff that I got. I don't have it in order or nothing like that, so I'm just gonna pull from what I have, and we're gonna do the haul like that. Okay, cool. Here is a ring, which I thought is very cute. I insert a picture of it if I can find the picture once again. But I actually picked this up for Jamie, because like I said, Jamie likes sky blue. That's one of her favorite colors, so that's why I picked that up for her. I picked up these earrings here. So a lot of this stuff gonna be close up because it's jewelry, but I picked up these earrings here. It right here. You guys know I love some studs, so these are right down my alley. I just had to get these, but I didn't know they was this big though. Like, you guys can see how big those are. Very big. I love it. I love me some studs, honey. Can you tell? This necklace set here, I'm not too fond of it as I thought I would be, because when I saw it on the website, I was like, you know what, I don't see a silver one. Let me just get on here to grab this one here. But this one is multi-color, so it's like an iridescent look on it, which is still cute though, but it gives costume vibe, like you can hear it. But I still like it though. I think I'm gonna wear this for my aunt's funeral, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Okay, so next up, I picked up these necklaces here. I picked up a J, a A, and a V. One for myself, Jasmine, and Andre. So I guess I opened this one here to show you guys how it look, which, you know, we be going out and about, so I just we want us to be twins or triplets in this case. But this is how the A look. Very pretty though. Very pretty. And this is the chain of them. So this is the chain, and this is the letter A. I think it's cute though. I think it was very cute. Very cute. So like I said, I did pick up one for each one of us. So yeah. Next up is some rings I picked up. I picked up for myself. This one look here. Oh child. I'm trying to get y'all to see it. Very pretty. Look how pretty that is, honey. Okay, it's a little too big for this finger here, but you guys see. Very pretty, girl. You know, thanks about to put a ring on and want to marry me. So the next one is this one here. This one, I always thought these type of rings was so beautiful, so simple, so easy. So these are a size 10, because I wasn't sure what size my ring finger was anymore. So yeah, these is a size 10. So I pretty much can go to a 9 and be okay. It's really pretty. Like pretty. Both of those are pretty, honey. Put these on one night when you want to go out and you don't want nobody to bother you. That's what they usually say. I don't know. Hey, I did pick up another ring here. I totally forgot about this ring here. It's just like diamonds all the way around it. These are simple, but I got it in gold because usually I don't have no gold jewelry or gold rings and stuff like that. So, and this is size 8. Why did I pick an 8 up in these and got a 10 in those though? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, the 8 fit too as well. The 8 fit, but the 8 fit on that finger. The other ones was able to fit on all the fingers, so it just fit on this one like this. Very cute, child. Y'all focus on that other than my face. But I think it's super cute. So now I do have some simple gold jewelry. So once again, check out the links and everything down below. Get the discount code and also click the exclusive items, because I don't know how many down there, but it's some down. And the last item that I have up in jewelry is this necklace here, which is the same as the other necklace over here, which is the same as this one, but you see the difference in it. And you hear the difference. You get what I'm saying? Like, but this one here do look more real than the iridescent color one. But they both are pretty though. I like both of them, which is the reason why I pretty much ordered both of them. But I'm also gonna get a silver one too as well. But I like these. But the only thing about with the silver, they didn't have it in a set like they have the iridescent in the gold, which I didn't understand why. Because I thought gold was more expensive than the silver was. So I don't know though, but they didn't have it like that, so you'll have to order it separate though. But I have all the links down below for my items that I do have, so once you do click on the items that I have, you'll be able to see more items comparing similar to it. Okay, so I lied a little bit. I thought that was it that I had like in jewelry and stuff like that, but what I did pick up also would consider to be jewelry was basically some bands to go on my Apple Watch. So you see I have this gold one, so it pretty much look just like my gold one here. I got a black one, sorry about that. I have a black one and I have a silver one, so therefore I can switch it out. But the only thing about I didn't get was the face. I forgot to pick up some faces, so I'm gonna order those too, so you can find it on there on their website. Because let me just tell you guys for a quick moment, whatever you can think about, Temu have it on there, like from home decor, car accessory, hair, makeup, nails, jewelry, of course, shoes, baby items, adults items, like sexual toys on there. Everything is on that website that you can think of that they have. So check them out. Check them out. I promise you. And everything is so affordable. So check it out. So yeah, but so these are the last two for show items that I have of in jewelry, but they do also come with, you know, the adjustment band, the key thing, so you can adjust it and make it to the size of your wrist or whatever, which that's something I need to do for this because this stays spinning. See, it stays spinning, so I never did it before. So yeah, so I guess I'll do that now. So the next thing we're gonna jump into is some of these little crystal eye patches. These here, I got these because I've seen a lot of YouTubers actually have a lot of these. They work for their under eyes, for the little bags and stuff. You guys know I be going up and down, so sometimes I don't get too much sleep because I'm up 4 o'clock in the morning and I don't lay back down till probably about, I lay down probably about 10:30, but my eyes don't close till probably about 12 o'clock, so that's no good for me. So yeah, so I decided to try some of these, so therefore it can help with some of my little bad mornings that where I do not want to get up. But I thought I picked up 2 of them, but I didn't, but that's okay. I just ordered some more if they really work very well. So yeah, I just ordered some more. I just ordered me some more, but it's a 2-pack here. So I actually thought like you can peel it off and put more and more, but so I read that wrong. So pay attention to that. Now, for more beauty items, I did pick up some nails, which I picked up 2 packs of nails. Well, 4 packs, but 2 different kinds because I have wide fingers, so therefore I have to go with the bigger sizes in there. And then when I do see options for people who have wider nail beds and stuff like that, those options be out fast and stuff like that. They be gone or sold out and stuff like that. So I just picked up these 2 here. So I picked up these one here that have hearts on them. So anything smaller that I can't fit, I pretty much give it to Javin. But I picked up 2 of them. The nails are very pretty though. These are very, very pretty. Let me see, does 24 come in here? How many come in here? I don't see a number saying how many come in here. And that was another reason why I picked up, because I didn't see a number to tell me how many nails come in it, but I'm quite sure probably 24. But sometimes you have some places just don't put 12 in. You have to buy 2 packs. So I just buy 2 packs for that too as well, so I can have enough. And then I picked up these. These are so pretty here. Of course, I have everything on the screen. I like these because they have the little rhinestone on them, And then they have like black butterflies. These are so pretty here. These are really pretty. These are my favorite. So like I said, they have varieties of things on their website, so you guys need to check them out. Okay. And I'm not just saying that. And I do want to say I don't get no type of commission for you guys going to shop their website or anything like that. Okay. 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 All right. So we got that covered. So the last item the last few items I did got is more for hair, honey. Some hair. So what I did I picked up me some wig caps, because you guys know I done got into the wig caps. I got into wigs and stuff like that. So I picked up wig caps. So they have these under the 2 packs or whatever. I don't remember asking. Girl, you know, you just be ordering stuff and be ordering stuff. So listen, you're gonna get lost on Temu's site. You're really gonna get lost. And I did pick up these bands here for, you know, for the lady wig styles and stuff. So I picked up 4 of those. And speaking of wig, boom, baby, they sell wigs on their website. Like, these are the hottest thing that Temu have on their site. I promise you, the wigs are going so fast. So you may want to go check them out, because baby, they is going for the low. And when they got this percentage sale going on too, and plus a 30% off, you better go check them out. You better go check them out before anything go up. You already know how that works. So here's the wig. I got this like curly Jerry curl wig, because you guys know I am a natural girl curl, but I want to try something a little tighter than when it comes down to wigs, because I have a loose curly wig. You know, I love curly wigs on me, but this one here is more of a shoulder length. Oh, child, don't mess it up, Val. Don't mess it up. But she is thick, baby. She is full, honey, and curly. Do y'all see that? So the girl who did my last wig, I'm gonna have her to do this wig for me, honey. And we're gonna get this wig on my head. We're gonna get this wig. When I'm gonna wear it, I don't even know when I'm gonna wear it though, but I trust and believe I'll let you guys know. But like I said, check them out. And I think this wig, it was like $42. I think it was just like $42, but they have so many of them so affordable. Like, I know you guys done seen them all over YouTube, because it's the biggest thing on the market right now on YouTube. Everybody is jumping on the bandwagon for Temu. Okay, so was it worth it? Yes, all of it was worth it. Woo, child. I can see me and her now, honey. I'm gonna flip her over, and girl, I can see it now. Because you know why? You know why? Because I always wanted my own natural hair to curl, like hang down real curly like this. But you see mine draw real bad, like real bad. But don't sleep on her, okay? don't get it twisted. Don't you get it twisted. I'm just saying. But yeah, so that will be it, you all, for the things that I got with Temu. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, this unboxing, unbagging, or whatever you want to call it. If you queens and kings did like it, please like the video, share. Subscribe if you're a new queen or king here just stopping by. Hello, my name is Valerie, if you didn't know. But yeah, so with that being said, shout out to Temu once again for actually sponsoring this video. You know, I really enjoyed myself. I got some great items here, you know, just to lift up my spirit and everything like that. So yeah, you guys don't forget to check out the website as well as the links down below in the exclusive, so you guys can actually save. So yeah. Hey queens and kings, so this is pretty much a add-on of some items that I had purchased myself. I think I mentioned it. I'm not sure which video that I mentioned it though, but I wanted to show you guys and add them on to this review as well as haul. So here is the silver necklace that I showed you guys earlier, of the gold one as well as the iridescent necklace and bracelet. So this is the bracelet, the silver one. It does sell separate. And then I picked up these earrings just because I like the way that they look, and they're so pretty and sparkle, and I think they'll go great with my set, even though it's not a part of a set. Now here I have some more of these hats. You guys know I am in love with trucker hats, and these are the ones that I picked up from Temu as well. I have this navy blue one here, which is this lone wolf, and then this little funky monkey here, as well as this exotic peacock or parrot, whatever you want to call it. Now this is my favorite one because I actually got some shoes that I can rock this with, but I have some shoes to rock the blue one with too as well though. But I do have something else in mind for the blue one. Now let's move on. Now here I picked up some of their little sweatsuits. Now, these are an extra large. I don't know why I got an extra large for. Extra large on their site is a size 12. As you all see here, I'm modeling it, but I'm just giving you guys a close-up of how it look. And it gives you really a sweater vibe on the inside of a sweater. That's how it feel. It don't have too much of a, well, the stretch, but not too much. This one here running small compared to the next one that I'm going to show you guys. But I think I'm actually give this one to Jasmine. I wasn't too fond of this one here because it's short in the legs there as well as in the arms. So yeah, but now this blue one here, it fit different. It have a little bit more wiggle room in this. I was able to squat in both pair though, but I like the navy blue one better, which that's what I picked up the hat for, to go with this navy blue, because I do have some shoes to wear with it. But yeah, I just wanted to add my little add-ons to this review. But I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the links and everything that's linked down below. Bye bye.